Okay, so, okay, okay, okay. So, we're gonna be playing some Moolah Wars today. And it's got, wait, hopefully there's pizza. Pizza. I love pizza. Pizza? Okay, so make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Pizza! Okay, leave a like and subscribe. Oh my god. Steamy thingy. Okay. Oh my god, I waited way too long. Oh my god. That is really annoying. I guess I'll go rest of it. So, I guess I'll see you when I'm in the little glassy thingy. I have to finish this. Okay, so, yes, we're starting. I didn't vote for a reason. Wait. Oh, it's happened. Dang it. Wait, is there overpowered items? Oh, it's normal items. That just sucks. Half-heart in normal items. Oh my god. So, make sure to leave some support to Dino Fox's channel too. Oh god. There we go. Okay. So, see you when I have. I'll see you when I have. What's it? When I have. I think I will for a diamond sword first. So, see when I get that. Oh god, my egg has been destroyed. Oh god, 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 oh god. That hurt. Oh god, oh god. Oh god. Woo! That wasn't very fun. Oh god. That was a short game. That's kind of annoying. That is annoying. So, I'll see you on the next round. Oh god. Hopefully we'll get to pizza. I think we're in, what are we in? We're in something. It looks like mushrooms. Okay, voting please. I like voting. I'll go, like I always do, normal items. And double health. Okay. What's the iron? With the iron. I've never played in this map actually. This is the egg. And where in the world is the iron? Oh god, this is annoying. I hate this. This isn't my favorite map. Okay. Oh, that's where the iron is. Iron in circles. Oh god. Okay. There we go. And then I must put these on. Oh wait, actually, I'll get some steak. There we go. Hopefully I may get some more iron, and I can get stone sword. I'm pretty sure that's 32 iron. Yeah, that's 32. So, what was I doing? Oh, so looks like we have got overpowered normal health. Not so bad. What's through these doors? Not surprising. Nothing. Okay. I guess I'll try for my first time playing in a bridge. If you haven't known, this is my second video. So, what's it called? What's it called? Yeah, I haven't really done much. Okay. Oh, I'm thankful that wasn't us. Oh! We have a bridge already. Oh my god. Okay, I guess I'll see you when... Oh my bed. That was my bed. Wait. Oh no, it wasn't my bed. I'm in. Okay, so I'll see when I get at least my armor and my sword back. My egg just got destroyed. Oh, and that's the end of me. Okay, so I'll see ya later in another video. If I haven't told you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And also, you can please leave some support for Gunbuster. You know, the only thing I don't like about it is that I don't understand how you guys will spell it. Okay, so I guess I will see you later. Goodbye. I missed. Goodbye.